Hello, everyone. Welcome to a brand new week. The moment we've been waiting for has finally arrived. Okay, a lot of people have been asking when will migration start? When will migration start? When will I migrate to the new blockchain? Well, guys, it's finally here. Okay, it's finally here. Okay, so two blog posts by the TBC admin came in last night. That is depending on where you are. In Nigeria, it came in last night. One was with instruction on how to go through the questionnaire and register on the blog. And one was going through the questionnaire so that you get yourself, approved. Okay, you just have to go through 10 questions which the voice of TBC has given answers to. Even if it hasn't given answers, the answers are pretty simple because they are what show up on the blog on a daily basis. They are what the TBC admin try to get us to understand on a daily basis through the blog. And only those who read the blog all day will will see it as easy pie. Okay, so when you go through the questions, then the last part will be required to put the new wallet address. Okay, so guys, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to, in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick step by step on how to do it. Okay, the instructions are already there in this blog post. But I just want to make you guys understand from experience, from having migrated to the new blockchain myself, what to do first before going ahead to answer the questionnaire. Okay. And the most important thing to do first is to handle the web wallet instruction. Okay, the web wallet instruction is simple. All it requires for you, okay, is to register. Okay, it's to register. It's simple. Just put in your name, full name, put in your email address associated with your Kringle Cash and your TBC wallet before, then put in your password. Make sure to remember your password because there is no room for you to start doing password recovery now. So tick I'm a robot, then register. It's pretty simple. Okay, then this is what you're going to get. This is what you're going to see. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys an example. All right, so when your wallet is funded, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so as you can see, this wallet has 1 million Kringles, which should translate to 0.001 TBC. We should transfer to 0.01 TBC. Okay. Okay. All right. So okay. So having said that, once you migrate, okay, and you submit, having said that, once you register here and you get your wallet, you have to go submit it on the Kringle Cash migration page after answering the questionnaire. Then you wait for your coins to be moved to you and for your send button to appear. Okay, so when you first log into your wallet after registration, you only see two menus, which is home and logout. If your web wallet fee is paid or your Kringle Cash back office are paid, only then will your send button menu be turned on within 24 hours. So after migrating, within 24 hours, your send button will be turned on. Okay, our fees are paid, so our send button is now active. So the rest will be instructions on how to send Kringles, but I'll do a special video for this on how to go about it. But right now, what matters is you migrating to the new blockchain. So we did some there's been some updates on the Belong Coin app to make it easy for those who want to migrate. Okay. All right, so you can notice that you can see migrate to new wallet. Okay, migrate to new wallet. So when you click this, what it does is that it takes you to the new wallet for you to log in or register. Now you have to register first, okay, before you go to your Kringle Cash to perform the migration, but to answer the questionnaires, okay, because you don't want to go in back and forth. I tried that earlier when doing my own migration. I answered the questions and got to the point that I have to put in my new wallet address, and I found out that I need to register to be able to do that. Now it took me backwards, or it took me backwards because I have to go now register, copy it, and come back. But right now that we've done this modification, all I simply need to do is come here, okay, come here, click on register, and you register right away. Once you register, you copy your address, okay, your wallet address, okay. You copy your wallet address, then you come to Kringle Cash here, okay. You come to Kringle Cash here, then you log in. Once you log in, you go to migration, you click on migration, and once you click on migration, you now answer the questionnaires one after the other. And once you're done with that, when you get to the final page, all you have to do is just paste the wallet address so that it will your TBC that you have will be mapped to your new wallet address. Okay, don't write out your new wallet address, don't write it out, copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste. So guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to do another video showing you guys explain to you guys how to send Kringles on the new wallet. It's pretty easy to do that, very easy. Okay, so expect my next video, and I also have great news on the Billion Coin Mart. Okay, all of them coming soon. Okay, all right.